Well, presenters, welcome back. The next 4 finishes you need to work on once you've mastered the MIKAN. Here we go. The next 4 you're going to need to master is the up and under reverse, the hook shot, which is the hardest for me, the veer finish, where you go into and then away, and the Euro step reverse. I like to do them in sequence, so 1 with the double clutch, 2 with the Euro step reverse, next a hook, and then the veer finish. Give them a shot right after you're done with your MIKANs. Remember not to get bored with the basics. MIKANs first, facing the rim one way, and then facing the opposite rim on the next one. And then give these 4 a shot after you are done with your MIKANs. So let me know how they work for you, build them into your routine, and watch yourself develop as a finisher.